Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play GeoGuessr with friends very easily. Let's get started. First thing, to be able to play with your friends, you gotta have an account, and also your friends gotta have an account on GeoGuessr. GeoGuessr have many options here like duels, team duels, battle royal countries, and many other options, but the one that you want to focus on is the party option here. Make sure you click on it. As you can see here, the party option have many features. Just like you can invite your friends, you can play all game modes, and also you can set your own rules. But to be able to actually use this, you gotta be subscribed. To subscribe, you can just click on here, unlock parties, and you can just do the rest. But if you don't want to subscribe, you can join another party that another user who is subscribed will create. To join a party, that user is gonna give you a code to type here so you can join. That is all you need to do. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.